So just taking a quick look at Ethereum then on our daily time frame here, as we can see, looking pretty good right now, I would say. We've come down, obviously, the bearish week that we saw last week, but really not getting that affected by Bitcoin. Monday, bearish price action, and Thursday, bearish price action. But overall, this is just looking like accumulation, manipulation, and potential distribution, in my opinion. Depending on what Bitcoin does, I think Ethereum could have a really good week here. Bitcoin already looking like, to me, that it is basically breaking out of the downtrend resistance that it has been stuck under, and potentially moving up bullish again this week, which would be very nice to see. Got this clear and obvious trend line that we've swept out, breaking through these big fair value gaps with a lot of momentum to the upside, and we could be looking at doing something like this, in my estimation, pretty soon. I think Bitcoin is probably much more likely here to be going up than down, especially after we've come down, swept out most of this liquidity back here. Much more likely to have liquidity above that we're going to go and rip through, in my opinion. If that's the case, obviously Ethereum will benefit from that as well. Bullish price action for Ethereum would be nice. We've also got some pretty obvious liquidity up here that we could come and target for Ethereum as well. Overall, I think this is gearing up to potentially be a pretty nice trade, to be honest. If you trade inverted fair value gaps, you will know. Got a pretty nice obvious fair value gap here that we could invert through. We've got this big gap here that we need to break, but overall I do think Ethereum has closed above this gap now, so we're probably likely to come up at least to here, break through this, and then we'll see if we can get through this trend line and the rest of this. But Bitcoin looking bullish right now, and I think Ethereum's going to benefit from that. We'll start ripping through these levels. Overall, Ethereum right now, in my opinion, looking good. We've come down, swept liquidity, bouncing, and a really good reaction out of this big fair value gap here. And also happens to be this 618 Fibonacci. I think we could very well see this bounce back up to this local swing high over the next few weeks. Let's see what Bitcoin does to lead the market in either direction. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates, and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.